Let's explain the expected primary expression before token error in C. This common compiler error usually means you've made a mistake in the way you've written your code, specifically regarding how you use expressions and operators. It often pops up when the compiler encounters something it doesn't expect in a certain context, leading to confusion about what you're trying to do. Here's a breakdown of common causes and how to fix them. 1. Missing semicolons. The most frequent cause is a missing semicolon at the end of a statement. The compiler might then try to interpret the following code as part of the previous statement, leading to an unexpected token. For example, if you write int x equals sign 5 y equals sign 10, the compiler will complain about an unexpected we because it's expecting a semicolon after int x equals sign 5. The correct way is to write int x equals sign 5, int y equals sign 10, or declare them on separate lines. 2. Incorrect operator usage. Misplaced or misused operators are another common culprit. For instance, if you accidentally put an operator where a variable or value should be, you'll get this error. Consider int result equals sign 10 plus 5. The extra semicolon after the plus sign is wrong. The correct expression is int result equals sign 10 plus 5. Similar issues can arise with other operators like percent and assignment operators like equal sign, plus equal sign all, equal sign, etc. Always double-check your operator placement and ensure you're using them correctly with invalid expressions. 3. Typos and syntax errors. Simple typos can lead to this error. Misspelling of a keyword, variable name, or function name will confuse the compiler. For instance, if you write int result equals sign 0 instead of int result equals sign 0, the compiler will likely flag an error. Carefully review your code for spelling mistakes, especially variable and function names. Make sure that you're using the correct syntax for the C language. Pay close attention to parentheses, brackets, and braces. An unclosed parenthesis can cause problems later in the code, leading to this error at an unexpected place. 4. Missing or incorrect function. Calls. If you're calling a function incorrectly, you might encounter this. Missing parentheses after a function name, incorrect parameter types, or even just a simple typo in the function name will generate this error. For example, print hello is wrong. It should be print hello. Always double-check function names and their arguments, ensuring they match their definitions. 5. Preprocessor directives. Problems with preprocessor directives. Hash include, hash define, etc. can also trigger this error. If a directive is improperly formatted or if there's a problem with the file it's referencing, it could cause the compiler to encounter unexpected tokens later in the code. Ensure your hash include statements correctly point to existing header files. 6. Incorrect use of macro definitions. If you define macros and there are mistakes in the macro's definition or use, this could lead to unexpected tokens. For example, a missing semicolon inside a macro definition can cause the compiler to complain about an unexpected token later. In essence, the expected primary expression before token error signals a problem with your code's syntax or structure. Carefully examine the line indicated by the compiler and the lines leading up to it, checking for the common mistakes mentioned above. Pay close attention to semicolons, operator placement, typos, function calls, preprocessor directives, and macro definitions. Often, a simple correction will result